Whirlpool Fridge Freezer 165A Type BMA19, the bottom freezer compartment ices up. How do I stop that?
Hello from JA, my name is Woody. I will be glad to assist you today. I have been servicing all major brands of appliances for 34 years, and have over 100,000 in-home repairs and over 50,000 phone and internet repairs under my belt. Can I please have the full model number of the unit to better assist you? None of the numbers you have given are model numbers.
EB9 Fulso 1, SN K149182550.
Thank you. EB9FEHLWS01 is the correct model. When you get this ice, is the freezer fan still running? And do the doors seem to close properly?
Yes, freezer fan on, and the door is closed properly.
Okay, has the freezer frosted up more than once? And if so, how are you defrosting it?
Yes, it has frosted up before and we just removed the ice from the bottom manually. Is there a defrost cycle I should do, or this automatic?
Okay, the defrost cycle is automatic, that is the issue, it is not defrosting automatically. The defrost cycle is done by the electronic control in the fresh food sealing, it will need to be replaced. Here is a link to the part. http://www.repairclinic.com/part-details/W10503278/2684578 replaced manufacturer part number equals 127844415 recade equals 1000070. If you have any questions, just reply back.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.